If your ChatGPT is slow or lagging, here are two simple fixes to make ChatGPT faster instantly. First, the most common issue is long chat history. When you use ChatGPT in one conversation for a long time, it processes all previous messages before giving a response. That can slow things down a lot. To fix this, ask ChatGPT to summarize your current chat. Just type something like, summarize this conversation so I can start a new chat. Once you get the summary, copy it and paste it into a new chat. This reduces the load and improves ChatGPT response speed. Second, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can affect how fast ChatGPT responds. So make sure you're using a stable and fast network for better performance. These are quick and effective ways to fix slow ChatGPT, reduce lag, and improve response time.